What's up, everybody? My name is Dragon Miner. It's been a month since I posted a video, but I'm back and I'm here to post content for you guys to watch. Today I will be opening PTCGO packs, or Pokemon Trading Card Game Online. Let's hope we get great pulls, and let's start opening some packs. So we got a Fighting Energy, a Spoink, Mincho, Sign Up, Starlies. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a Lone Raichu Hollow. Another pack. Ooh, did we get anything good? Ooh, a regular Rare Man. This line. Open another pack. Oh wow, foil crab ball. Now, ooh, artillery. That's good. Ooh, a double. Ooh. Okay, foil Regirock and ooh, Registeel. Maybe I could try to complete all the Reggies. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Houndoom. Bad, bad. Let's try to aim for like a Rainbow or a GX at least. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Oh, I could use to build a deck with that. Ooh, two. What foil did I get? Oh, foil claw. And what was it? Oh, wow, Nihilego. An Ultra Beast. Open another. We're down to 2 more packs. We already got an Ultra Beast. Let's hope we get something just as good in the end. Never a rock. Fine, that's fine. Won't complain about Reggies. The only deck of Reggies seems interesting. 4 different types. Ooh, Regice. All I need is Regigigas. Really tough. Wow. Last pack. Last pack, guys. Said there. Not 2 pack. I said 2 earlier. This is our last pack. Here we go. Oh man, that's not too bad. I mean, it's not too shabby. I mean, at least I got an Ultra Beast. Am I right? And now, as a treat for you guys, I want to show you some stuff that I've got over the time I've been gone from working on this channel. I got this Shining Hoe. It's not package. Sorry, it's a little bit dark here. Maybe lights out. There, you can see it better now. And on the back, I put in Lucario coin. If you could just focus. And these are some of my cool cards. Got Flareon EX, Mewtwo base set, yes, the original. Shining Volcanion, got a Shining Mewtwo EX, Mewtwo, another Mewtwo EX, this one's a promo though. Another Shining Hole, this one's opened sleeved, and this one's another, one unopened. And this is a Lugia EX. And to anyone to be lucky to be viewing this, the first one, here is a free code. If you use this code, you will get a free Silvally sleeves and a bunch of different energy. And that concludes my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Good day.